Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel Shubro the Geek. I am your host, I am your host Shubro. So today I'm back after a month. As you guys know, I am not posting any videos. I don't want to make any more vlogs like that where I speak because I don't get any kind of response on those kind of vlogs. So I thought of only posting unboxing videos when I get some products and I try them and I unbox them and I post a review. So today here we have another product with us. It's a company which I have always favored from the very beginning. I started with Tag Inferno, the Inferno series. Then I went to Tag Loop. That speaker is no more they are selling it no more, but I still have the speaker and it's still performing as same. So I have a soft code for Tag, and when I heard they're releasing a new smartwatch, so I thought I needed a fitness band anyway. So I thought of giving it a try. So finally I have it over here. And guys, this in this video I'll be doing the unboxing and give you an overview of the watch along with two watch straps which I have bought. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And for the review part, what I will do, I will be testing it for a week or so during the whole duration of pujas, where I'll be out most of the time wearing this watch. And let's see how this watch handles the real case, real scenario. Because I think as this watch is released on 26th of September and some people are already posting review, but I don't think they have tested it quite enough. So I want to test it like to the fullest, to the maximum, and then I'll post the review. So guys, I am your host Shubro. You are watching Shubro the Geek. Let's start, shall we? So hey guys, let's check out what are the things we get inside the box. Let's check the overview of the box. And for the straps, let's talk about it a bit later after we have done with the unboxing and overview of this. So at the very onset, we get this tag branding over here. As you can see, tag branding, and here something is written actually. Keeps you ahead. That's the logo, I think the motto of Tag. And then over here it's written Verve Ultra, and we get the picture of the watch itself. On the right side we have all the descriptions like 1.69 inch display, real-time blood oxygen monitor, IP68 waterproof, sleep tracking, and sport multi-sport modes. And on this side we get nothing. And over here we on the back we get some more descriptions. So what are those? It lasts up to 10 days as they claim. I don't know about it, but I will be surely checking it out. Apps and calls and notification. So we'll be seeing about that. Industry leading. Yeah, this. So you can ask me why I have went with Tag and not with Boat, or I generally go with Boat and all. So because they have this industry leading chipset, Nordic chipset. So this is a chipset which is used on very high-end watches, and then it has a real-time heart rate monitor, activity tracker, then menstrual cycle monitoring for females, and then multiple watch faces. We get it from the app, and we get sedentary reminder, like we are sitting in somewhere for a longer period of time, so we should walk and all. So all that. So over here you can see the chipset number is given. Bluetooth version is 5.0. That's very good. It's a low energy Bluetooth. Then it has a IPS LED LCD screen, not LED. It has a LCD screen, as you can see. Then we have 10 mAh battery. We have it will take almost 2 hours for charging. And the dimensions are written. The weight is 44.8 grams, and application name is TagFit. Okay, so the price quoted on the box is 5,999, and it generally will be sold for 34.99 if I'm not wrong. But during Amazon Great India Festival, I got it for 29.99. So yeah, that's all, and let's unbox it and see what are the things we get. So here we have with us the watch itself. Okay, the watch itself is over here. I think this is yeah, this is a sticker that's applied on it. Yeah, just a second, we'll be opening it, and we have a charging cable. Okay, it's magnetic if I'm not wrong. Yeah, it has two magnets, so I think it's magnetic, and it's fair bit long, not much. I would say it's half a meter long, and that would be enough, I think. Oh yeah, check out the main unit itself, which is in my hand. So to open this, here is the flap. And we can peel off the sticker. It's a sticker that's applied on it. Yeah, as you can see, it has a curved screen, which is a main USP of this. It has a curved screen, and it's a zinc alloy material which has been used, and we can have a multiple number of straps. We can change the straps very easily. That's the main thing, and we can use any straps which are found on the market, and that's the thing which I like about it. Is generally what happens with this kind of watches is that I tend to break the strap, and this I can replace it without any hassle. So that's a good thing which I think is there. So for the overview of the watch, we have as you can see, we have the magnetic charger over here, and we have the tag branding, and this is the sensor for SpO2 and different heart rate sensors and all. We have written Verve Ultra over here, as you can see, and 210 mAh. That's indication of the battery, and this is the dial over here, and it's a curved screen. As you can see, the screen is curved, and it's quite a good thing. As you can see, the curvature comes from the front and back, and it makes a symmetry on the edge. That's a good thing to see, if I'm not wrong. And that's it. And how to open the strap is very easy. You just have to pull the lever up and just pull it inside, and it will open, and that's the thing. So this is the main body, and this is the strap which has been provided with it, but I'll be changing the strap because I don't like the silicone thing. Just a personal preference, and you can do whatever you like. And so yeah, and the dial does not turn. That's another thing which you should keep in mind. So anyway, the strap open. I'll change the strap anyway. So that's the thing. And here is the watch itself. Let's power this on. If I'm not wrong, we have to hold it for a few seconds. Yeah, after holding it for 2 to 3 seconds, it gave a haptic feedback and it turned on. We can turn this. No, we cannot turn this dial, but we can like tune and click on it, and we can have different things that are present. Okay, so let's see what are the things that they give out of the box. Step, heart rate, sleep, message, sports, stopwatch, SpO2, QR code, music, calculator, settings, camera, game, theme, guys, a lot of things. And then we can have different watch faces over here, as you can see. I like this one. I will be keeping this one only, and yeah, this is pretty much it. And we can have a flashlight, and then this is a power off, this is the notifications, and this is the, I think, DND. Yeah, so that's the overview of the watch, and we have two different straps. This is the sports strap, which you can use while you are having a jog and all. And another strap which I have is a magnetic strap. I like this strap, and I will be using this strap. Let's see how this one turns out, and I'll be posting the full review in a after pujas. So guys, please subscribe to my channel for you to not miss any notifications, and please hit the notification bell also, so that you get all the notifications of the review when I post it. And also, please, if you are liking this video, please give a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. And you can always share the video, so I can bring more content to you like this. And that's all for the day. I was your host Shubro. You are watching Shubro the Geek, signing off. Bye bye.